welcome to Chef Dawg. Guess what? Today we're doing an in-house Chef Dawg review with a dear friend of mine, Ellen. We go back about what? 20 years?
At least.
Well, the difference between her and I is she is actually a chef. And so, hey, she pinged me and said, hey, do you actually want to learn how to make some food? And I said, we'd love to. And so she's put together some Costco ingredients, and we got a salad, and we're going to do some other stuff later. But I'm going to turn it over to Ellen here, and then we're going to talk back and forth. And then I'm going to help her if she wants me to. And then we're going to taste this bad boy and see how it turns out. We'll see if she really is a chef. Okay?
Okay, I feel like that's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, it is a lot of
because
pressure.
this isn't real chefing, this is cheat chefing.
Total chef.
So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make a salad out of this sweet kale salad package that they have at Costco. So for me, I entertain a lot, and sometimes I just don't have time to put together something super fancy with all the homemade dressings and everything. So what I like to do is sometimes just go to Costco and buy things that I can doctor up and make them seem a little bit more chef-made versus I went to Costco and made a salad.
Good idea.
So
how much is a bag of that, roughly?
you didn't tell me any of
It
the real
doesn't
prices.
matter. It's okay.
I don't know.
People might like to know.
$4-ish, $5-ish dollars is about it. And it says that it serves 8 people, but we're gonna add enough ingredients that it really will stretch it more to about 10 people. So what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna pour all this salad here in a bowl, and then somewhere in here there's a package. And the package comes with a poppy seed dressing. We're just gonna get salad stuff all over the place. And then this trusty little packet that has, I believe that they're pumpkin seeds. They are pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds and craisins. So you're gonna open actually.
You want me to do that?
No, this is what I'm gonna do.
Right.
Just wait and
Oh, I'm not. Hey.
Just kidding.
You're
So
the chef.
these are the dressings that come with it. And I'll be honest, I don't always use them. Sometimes I do, but there is a dressing that's made by Panera called Fuji apple dressing that I actually think tastes a little bit better. But this is good too, especially if you're in a pinch and you don't want to go to a different store to buy something else. So all these things you can get at Costco. So you're gonna open these up and toss that salad in there.
Do that now?
Yep, you do that now. So the things that I like to add to this salad are an apple. I prefer Honeycrisp. They're ridiculously expensive. Costco needs to like buy a Honeycrisp orchard or something because they're super pricey. However, they taste the best in this salad. Then I put in just strawberries I get from Costco. I pre-wash those. And then this right here is the Kirkland brand goat cheese, which is delicious. And this right here is candied pecans, which they look like this at Costco, and they're so yummy to eat as a snack, but they're also delicious to add to salads. So
yummy.
you're gonna go ahead and drizzle that and toss that, and I'm gonna cut this apple.
I am gonna love this.
And you can slice the apple however you want to. I like to just kind of chop it in little squares like this. And if you're gonna eat the salad right away, you can just go ahead and toss it right into the salad. But I usually put it in a little bit of water and then squirt some lemon juice, also found at Costco, in with there, and that prevents them from getting brown. So now we're cutting up some strawberries. There's no fancy way that you really need to cut them. So this is what we're gonna do. So now we've got some strawberries. It's kind of a hot mess over here, no judgment, okay? So once you have the salad all tossed, what you can do is just kind of sprinkle some of the berries, and that adds like very beautiful color. And then we're gonna use the pack that already came with it of the craisins and the seeds. And then we're gonna add some of that goat cheese to give it a little bit. I like a lot of texture in my salads. And so you've got crunchy, you've got soft. And then we're just gonna toss in some of those apples.
This looks delicious.
Like this. And then you just go ahead and put some pecans in there. Maybe a little bit more color.
Wow.
And then your salad looks beautiful.
Yummy.
And then every now and then, if I want to be really fancy, fan it, stick it there in the center.
Oh,
Easy
she just
peasy.
fanned a strawberry.
So we'll just give it a little bit more of a toss here. I got this nice little bowl. Here you go, Chef Dawg. What do you think?
I'm gonna eat the whole bowl, there's no doubt. That crunch.
Yeah,
I
lots
love
of
the
different
crunch,
texture. So.
and I love strawberries.
And it looks like you put a little bit more effort into it than just throwing a bunch of stuff together. So
Well, this took how long to do? 5 minutes to make this. And this is super good for you too.
Yep, all these healthy ingredients. You got a good balance of all the food groups. I mean, you just can't go wrong. This is my littlest daughter, Isabella.
Isabella.
She just turned 8.
Try it out. Tell them what you think. So you like it. Okay.
It's a winner.
She likey. Well, you've already had it, so you don't need to taste test
we eat
it.
this all the time. It's kind of our go-to salad.
Well, everybody, I'd like to thank Ellen here for a quick salad here. It's delicious, and then the look of it too.
It looks pretty.
I love how it looks too.
And you know what? You can actually throw in kind of whatever you have on hand. So sometimes I do raspberries. Sometimes I even will throw some blueberries in there. And then if you want it to go further, you can buy the pack of romaine salad and chop it up and toss it in there too. And it just makes it go a little bit further for minimal cost. So really you're looking at maybe $8 to make a really great salad for 10
No,
to
like
12
really, yeah. Hey, we'll probably be back here again for some others. So anyways, all right, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. You want to
Thanks for inviting me.
See ya.
Bye.